Hi children, welcome back to our channel bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about word building or word chain game. So it is very interesting game for children. So for this game the children are able to learn so many words with spellings, and then it increases their ability, how the vocabulary of the words. For particularly our children improves their vocabulary and vocabulary of the words, and they learn the spellings also. So this word chain also we call it as the word train. So how can we write this word chain? So word chain is it is a game in which the players come up the words begin with the letter. So for example, I wrote here apple. Okay. So last letter is apple, apple. So we have to start from that last letter. So again we write another new word from that previous word and with the last letter. Okay, let's start. Apple. For example, apple, A P P L E, apple. Okay, the last letter is E. So we have to start the other words. The other word start from the letter E. So E for egg. E G G, egg. Okay, next G is the last letter. So we start from this G letter word. So goat. G O A T, goat. Okay, next the last letter of this word is the T. So we have to write the T letter. The word starts from the letter T. So this is the last letter word. So G-O-A-T, T. So T for tiger. So T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay. Next, last letter for this word is the R. So we start from the R letter word. So R for rose. Yes, R for rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Okay. Next is the S-E is the last letter. Okay. So we have to write the E letter word again. So E for eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Okay. So S is the last letter. So we have to start from this S letter word. So S for sun. S-U-N, sun. Okay. Next last letter for this word N. So N for net. Yes. N-E-T, net. Okay. Next we start from the word N-E-T. Last letter is the T. So T for T letter word tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. So remember children. So when we have to start the attend the competition for this word building competition of word chain, so we must write the words. We already know the correct spelling for that word. That type of words only we have to select. So one thing we have to make it wrong for one word. So all the words last letter is wrong or anything wrong for this. For example, I wrote T-O-N-G-U, tongue. So I wrote T-O-G-U, tongue. T-O-G-U, tongue. So all further whatever I wrote the letters, so all are wrong. So we lose the game. So that's why be careful children. Whatever you already know the perfect spelling of that perfect words, the easy words, we have to select that type of easy words. Okay. Next is the U. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. So again E is the last word. So E for ears. E-A-R-S. R S. Ears. Again S. S for so sun. S-O-N. Sun. You already write here S-U-N. So S-O-N. Okay. Next letter. Last letter is the N. So N for what? Nose. N-O-S-E. N for nose. Again E. So E for what I have to write? E for eat. E-A-T. Eat. Okay. Next again T. T for what? Taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Okay. Next again E. E for easy. E-A-S-Y. Easy. So last letter is again Y. So Y. So Y for yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Okay. Next here is the last letter is K. So K for king. K-I-N-G. King. Okay. So last letter is again G. So G for what? Yes. G for gun. G-U-N. Gun. Okay. Next last letter is also again N. So N for what? Number. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Okay. So R for last letter is R. So we write the word start from the letter ending letter here R. So R for rat. R-A-T. Rat. Okay. Next again here T. T for time. T-I-M-E. Time. Okay. Next again E. E for what? Elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Okay. Next last letter is W. W for so what? What? W-H-A-T. What? Okay. Next again T. T for what? 10. Yes. T-E-N. 10. Next last letter is N. Again N for what? No. N-O. No. Okay. N for no. So last letter is O. O for owl. O-W-L. Owl. Okay. Last letter is L here. So L letter word is L for lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. So again N here. So N for never. N-E-V-E-R. Never. Again R here. So R for what? R for already we wrote the rose. So R for ran. R-A-N. Ran. Okay. Next again N here. So N for what? N for already we wrote the nose, net and then nails. N-A-I-L-S. Nails. Okay. So next is the last letter is S. S for what? Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. So last letter is H. H for hand. H for hand. Okay. So last letter for hand, the word hand is D. So D for dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. Next, again G here. So G for what? G for girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Okay. Again L. L for lemon. L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Okay. Again, last letter is the N. N for night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay. Next, T for, again, T for what? Two. T-W-O, two. Again, O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So, like this. So, word chain or the word is continuous. Okay. Thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.